while going through the process of converting these drawings to construction drawings, one of the next steps is to change the dimension lines and also change the view template. So over here we have a preset of view template for construction plan. In that construction plan, the biggest thing is we change the wall types to this hatch pattern, which is transparent. So I'm going to go ahead and make that change right now, and you'll notice that all the walls are not blacked in anymore. They have this hatch, and you can still see the studs. The next thing we want to do is select all the dimensions and change the dimensions to using the filter up here, change all the dimensions to interior. And we don't have a lot of exterior dimensions yet, but we're just doing the interior ones right now. And the exterior ones we also want to change. So anything that's on the exterior will change it to be just the normal 1/16. And I think that's it for the basics of changing the drawing. There's a lot of things still to clean up on these plans, but we're getting pretty close to getting the construction drawings ready. But I think that's the next step.